This is the weekly weather forecast video for Monday, August the 1st, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the monsoonal flow still over the desert southwest, complex thunderstorms over the Dakotas, and another over the southeast, namely in the state of Georgia. Here's the watch warning map from around 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see a severe thunderstorm watch over North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota, some flash flood watches over Nevada into Idaho. Otherwise, the rest of the nation was fairly quiet during the overnight period. Here's the severe weather threat. This is day 2, not today. This is for Tuesday and Tuesday night. A slight risk of severe weather extends from eastern Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, over Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, into Pennsylvania. And here is the satellite image of what could be the next tropical depression, or soon to be named Emily. We'll see where this goes in the next week or so. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. You see a big bullseye of 1 to 2 inches of rain over the state, with the lightest amounts only 3/4 of an inch, so quite a bit of rain this next 5 days. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the 594 ridge over the southern plains and extending into the state, with the main storm track still near the U.S.-Canadian border. You can see with that the chances of showers and thunderstorms will be to the north. Otherwise, around here we'll see triple H. Hazy, hot, and humid. Highs in the low 90s. Heat indices over 100. Tuesday, the cold front will be starting to move into the state, but until then it'll be triple H. Hazy, hot, and humid. Highs in the low to mid 90s with heat indices over 100. Wednesday, the front will be diffuse across the area, but the model shows that there'll be little, if any, precipitation by Wednesday afternoon. It'll be a Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning event. Thursday, with the frontal system still in the area, an impulse moves through, brings a very good chance of some showers and thunderstorms with highs in the mid-80s. We move to Friday. That impulse is now east of the state. There still could be an isolated shot at a shower or storm. Otherwise, it will be partly to mostly sunny with highs in the 80s. Saturday, with that frontal system still close by, there could be an isolated shot at a shower or storm. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny with highs in the mid-80s, which will be seasonal for the early part of August. Sunday, same story, an isolated shot at a shower or storm. Otherwise, partly to mostly sunny, highs in the mid-80s, with dew points likely in the 60s to near 70. A week from today, Monday, the 8th of August, the 594 ridge begins to assert itself in the desert southwest. We'll have a west to west northwesterly flow aloft, and with that could mean we could still have a shot at some showers and thunderstorms, and just off the South Carolina North Carolina coast could be what was Emily, or is Emily. We'll have to wait and see if this holds out. We move further into Voodoo. Here's August the 12th. West-east flow across the country with the heights fairly low, or at least lower than they have been, so that could mean some cooler conditions and some chances at showers and thunderstorms, with highs likely in the lower 80s by this point, which will be a refreshing change from the mid-90s we've been seeing. And at the end of the forecast, August the 16th, a big trough over the eastern third or eastern half of the country, with a ridge developing over the mountains, the Intermountain West, and with a possible frontal boundary in the area, there could be some showers and storms at the time, so it could get active and we could see some cooler conditions. Here's the weekly weather forecast. Thank you for tuning in to the weekly weather forecast video. We'll have our regular one tomorrow.